Hey gut feeler friend, welcome to nature, my natural habitat. I wanted to invite you to an interactive gut healing, gut reset experience that I've been planning for a while now. This masterclass is perfect for you if you're feeling stuck right now, if you're not sure if you're doing the right thing. Yes, you're taking all the supplements and you're watching the YouTube videos and you're Googling and asking ChatGPT, and maybe you're already invested in some gut programs, but you're not really having something that is unique for you, where you feel like, yes, this is actually made for me, not just a generic program. And that's what we're going to do in the masterclass. You're going to leave with a personalized gut reset blueprint, knowing exactly what to do once the masterclass ends. No more confusion, overwhelm, doubting yourself, and you're going to feel more connected to your gut feelings and knowing you can heal no matter how many years or even decades you've been struggling with your digestion. We're also going to cover 3 things in this masterclass that no gut healing program is talking about, which are essential for long-term gut healing. Number 1, the gut virus that no supplement, no medication, no perfect diet can heal, that fuels inflammation, bloating, all your chronic symptoms. And I'm going to show you how to dissolve it with grace, gently, within just a few moments. At the end of the masterclass, you're going to be out of the fear cage, meaning the state of fight and flight, of worrying, of not being sure. So your body finally feels safe enough to start the healing program, which it naturally does. Your body is a self-healing master. And number 3, I'm going to teach you my 1 question that turns your worst symptoms, your chronic issues, the worst thing you have, into your ally, into your guide. So instead of fighting against whatever's going on there and like, I'm wrong, I should be better, I should be healed now, what is wrong with my body? We'll actually do Aikido move and use that with this 1 question to turn it into your ally. And this is not a mental thing of just ignore your symptoms and pretend you're happy and just positive thinking. No, we're going to take those symptoms seriously. This is about feeling calm, empowered, like you are in charge. Not your body is in charge, the doctor is in charge, the test results, big pharma is in charge. No, you. You're going to leave this masterclass feeling powerful and connected again with your body and with what's going on in your life. We're also going to do a life experience where you have the physical, visceral experience in the session where your stress hormones come down, inflammation goes down, and you reconnect to your gut and your gut feelings. And from that calm and centered place, we're going to create together your unique gut reset blueprint. It's a 1-page plan that's going to fit your life. It's not a generic protocol. You will not feel overwhelmed. No guessing. And when you leave the masterclass, you know what to do, when, and moving forward with clarity. The whole experience is just going to be 60 minutes, and I put everything I know in there. You also get a replay, the worksheets, the playbook, everything included, so you can even refresh the experience after the masterclass, or if you can't join live, understand the root cause of your gut issues and get your personalized gut reset blueprint in this 1 hour. And the best thing is, you won't do it alone. We're going to do it all together. You, the other gut feelers, me. We're going to inspire each other and really make this an uplifting, informative, and most of all fun and light experience. So if your gut feelings tell you, hey, this is interesting, and you feel some resonance with what I've shared, I'd love to have you on board and support you.